Grammy Award winning recording artist Koffee scoring big on the charts after another song Pressure garnered over 500,000 views in just a day. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. This is the place to be. We give you the information right on the dot. International Grammy recording artist Koffee has scored big once more with another song, Pressure, that is doing well on the popular social media chart, YouTube. The song has garnered over 500,000 views in just a matter of a day, and with her previous song scoring over 6 million views in just 2 weeks, it just goes to show you that this artist is on a rise, and this is going to be Jamaica's biggest star to date. She's still young, in her prime, and she's doing her thing, and she has garnered that local and international fan base that many are seeking at this specific time in their musical career. Koffee, as you know, broke on the scene just a few years ago, and since then she has been captivating the hearts and minds of many right across all diaspora of the world with her music, and her song Toast have garnered over 100 million views. Can you believe this? Such a young star in the making, and she has captivated the hearts and minds of many right across the world with her scintillating sound, and this uniqueness about her music just goes to show you that she is a star to be reckoned with. So congratulations goes out to Koffee for another milestone achievement underneath her bed, and she is still very young, just 20 years old, in her prime, doing her music, reaching the world. So let me just give you a little history as it relates to Koffee if you don't know who she is really. So Michaela Simpson, born on February 16, 2000, so she's actually 20 years old this year, and better known as Koffee. She's a Jamaican reggae singer, songwriter, rapper, DJ, and guitarist. So she hails from Spanish Town, Jamaica, and she released her debut single Burning back in 2017. And in 2019 she signed to Columbia Records, and she produced an EP back in 2009 by Rapture, which won her the Grammy for Best Reggae Album at the 62nd Grammy Awards that was held just a few months ago. So Koffee is one of the youngest individuals in Jamaica to have ever won a Grammy, and one of the youngest recording artists to date to have ever won a Grammy inside the reggae category in Jamaica. And she was up amongst the big guns for this Grammy per se, and she took it home, especially for not only for herself but for the flag of Jamaica. So she took this home for Jamaica, and it was just a wonderful experience to watch the Grammy, and she collecting that Grammy at just a tender age of 20 years old. And she's one of the youngest reggae star right now, doing her thing, capturing the hearts of many right across the world. And her music is just somewhat different from what you know the traditional reggae music should feel like. However, she's garnering that fan base and she's capturing that audience, and her songs so far, all of them are doing extremely well on the charts. I'm telling you, this is a star to reckon with, and I will say it again. She's on a rise, and she's just in the peak of her career. Still young, still have a lot of life within her, and we just hope her and wish her all the best in her musical endeavors, and that she wave the flag of Jamaica high. Such a talented individual, such a star, and as you saw in her performance back at the virtual series of Reggae Sun Fest, She's just one of those individuals that I'm telling you, you really need to look out for him and her team behind her. I believe that they are doing an extraordinary job just in order to push her career out there, and just in order to just get her into that frame of mind and propel her music to the forefront of reggae and also the forefront of the world, as she has been captivating so many lives and changing the lives of so many with her music. Such a star. She's like the Jamaica Rihanna right now. I'm telling you. Koffee, you just do your thing, my girl, and just continue to just put wonderful music out there and just do your thing. I know that there have been a lot of controversy surrounding your sexual orientation, and many people have been speculating whether or not you're this way or you're that way. Listen, just do your music and focus on your musical career. That's what you're here for, and don't listen to negativity or let the negativity get you down. You've been doing extremely well since you broke on the scene back in 2017. It's now 2020 and you still remain a dominant figure within the reggae music of Jamaica, and we salute you for your wonderful work and also the team behind you pushing your music to the forefront. If you don't know who is Koffee, I'm gonna give you right now a little clip of her performance at Reggae Sunfest, the virtual series. Let's go over to that now.
Koffee coming like a rapture, Koffee coming like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Place it up like a helicopter. Oh, them see the lyrics not chapter. Koffee coming like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Place it up like a helicopter. Them see the lyrics not chapter. Say Koffee acting up the temperature for them say. Me know them envy, but friend if you ain't me, yo I supposed to be. So plenty, but me pocket no empty. Me need space, so large me. See them a watch.
She's such a star.
We can't buy in a life, man. Yeah.
Such a star.
No, sir. So what we do? What we do? We're going with it. We're going with it. Yeah. To us. Yeah. Yeah. So we are coming with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Yeah. Some fest no rise and board.
Well, there you have it. That's Koffee giving you a little performance at the virtual series of Reggae Sunfest 2020. Shout out to Joe Bogdanovich for a wonderful production of that show over there. But as you can see here in this performance, Koffee, one of the greatest reggae artists to date, such a young individual. She is able to articulate her voice in such a way which will able to capture so many fans right across the world, and she's a very young and talented singer, based on the fact that even her song Toast garnered so much recognition right across the world and was even featured in a water commercial. Now this girl, she's on the rise, and she's on that rise of stardom for Jamaica, and she's waving that flag high for her country. I hope that you fans right across the world to support her music and also just try to just be that figure around her that help to promote her music to the forefront of Jamaica, because right now our music is slowly dying, especially the reggae music, and we need someone such as this to propel the music back out there, because when our music is propelled out there in such a fashion, it's not only for her, but it opens the door for many other rising entertainers to be on that mantle in order to propel their own music out there. So she's like the front runner right now, and she's opening that door, so other singers just need to just run behind her and take up your stance in reggae music. We're gonna leave this one here for now. Big up Koffee and all the team working behind her on these wonderful projects. So this has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and guess what? We're out for another one. Peace.